So you keep them. Okay. Yes.
Keep them on the frame, yeah.
Yes, but if you want, yes, Muslim is in front of the Colosseum. You want to see the Colosseum. Yes, you go even backwards and you have a nice shot of it. And you don't really put him in the middle of the frame. You know, you either put him a bit of the right or a bit of the left. Yes, it's not really common to put it right in the middle.
Okay.
Yes.
Look, Tanya is filming us now. Not frontal in my face, but from the side.
Yes.
When you have the screen like this, you put the
There are some lines. Yes.
some lines.
Also, but
Put the face to look inside the screen, now not outside the screen.
Okay.
My nose should stay
Yeah.
like this.
Face this way.
My face not to look outside the screen. Yeah.
yes, and I don't know if your phone has this. You can have it, and I will. But you see these lines? These are the guidance lines that you use. I mean, this is more specific, but maybe it can help you if you remember it. Yes. If not, it's okay. Yes, but you see, you have 4 points here.
Yeah.
You should put your subject in
One
some
of
of these points. If one of the above points are better, yes, on the left or on the
The
right.
strongest point.
The
on
strongest
on
points.
the
I
frame.
mean, your eyes see it as clear as possible if you put your subject here, even if it's a very wide shot or a close-up shot. I mean, if you have a very close shot, you will have his eyes either on the right, either on the left. I mean, the middle of his eyes. Yes, that's more specific, but it can help you. And every phone has this if it helps, or if you can just imagine without the written lines, it's better.
If you want to put some strong information, use the Z letter. You make a Z like this, and here are the best points to see. When you look at the picture, you saw first that points,
Those
and
ones.
put your subjects there if you want.
Yes, it happens with everybody, either you conscious it or not. So it's both biologically and just ethically. Yes.
Thank you.